that Bruce Lee has said, which I think most of us must have heard about. So it goes like, I'm not scared of the man who has practiced 10,000 kicks one time, but I'm scared of the person who has practiced one kick 10,000 times. So when I was a student here, I mean, I would say that I'm still a student here. I was just on a very long break, which should now end. But when I was in a lower belt myself, I used to come to class the first day and we used to practice one block. The second day we used to practice the same block, maybe with a punch. The third day we used to practice the same block with a punch and a kick. And I used to think, why are we doing this same technique again and again and again? But as I grew up and also as I progressed in my journey, I realized the technique is the same, but I have changed. And the way that I do the technique has changed. And that is the beauty of martial arts, and that is especially the beauty that I have seen in Taekwondo, in Panther Taekwondo Martial Arts Association. I will now proceed to tell you all a brief history of Taekwondo. Taekwondo means the way of kicking and punching. It developed from the ancient Korean martial art Taekyon, practiced during the Silla dynasty. The Hwarang youth warriors helped develop and perfect these fighting techniques guided by five moral principles known as the Hwarang Oikye, which emphasize loyalty, bravery, sincerity, and self control. After Korea's independence in 1945, Taekwondo evolved into its modern form by combining traditional techniques with philosophical values. Today, Taekwondo is not just a fighting art but a non violent sport, an educational system that trains both the body and mind, promoting discipline, integrity, perseverance, and moral character. I will now introduce the system that we are studying here, that is EMA, that is the Action International Martial Arts Association. This association was founded by Grandmaster Hee Il Cho in 1980. It is a progressive association and it is service oriented, and it supports Taekwondo and all martial arts styles while respecting each style's unique qualities. EMA promotes peace, harmony, and comprehensive training through seminars and guidance from senior representatives. It is an apolitical organization dedicated to supporting its members, schools, and students, and to promoting the growth and betterment of martial arts. Now, we have seen the theory of what Taekwondo is and what EMA is, but it is time that all of us here in the audience also see it in practice through what the students are learning in this association and in this class. So I would now start with the demonstrations that all the students here have painstakingly practiced, and I know that you all have practiced for this all the time because we used to do it once upon a time, and it's a great thing that we are about to see it again today. So the first people that I would like to invite are the group techniques, which includes Shraddha Parab, Sai Timbre, Adhya Dukle, Janvi Banaji, Vanishri Rao, Thia Shirodkar, Kartiki Kade, Shlok Kade, Preksha Khobrekar, Mohak Patarpekar, Vinay Chipalkar, Abhiraj Desai, and Ashni Bhogi. Please do assemble yourselves and start the technique whenever you all are ready. Thank you. you so much for that wonderful performance. Please, everyone, clap for them. I would now like to invite the next set of techniques, that is the stretching group. This includes Thea Shirodkar, Aditi Naik, Sia Naik, Preksha Khobrekar, Ananya Patil, Vania Fernandez, Valonia Fernandez, Suwani Timbre, and Anuradha. Please step forward. Thank you. Let's have a round of applause for them as well. I would now like to invite our third group, who will now show us the first pattern, that is Chanjiyong. Raghav Fargaonkar, Vinay Chiparkar, Vihan Gawakar, and Narendra Bhandari. Thank you so much. Our next group is a very interesting one because they are going to show us some self-defense techniques. So I would now like to invite Dylan Vaz, Troy Finch, Naisha Chiprekar, Shlok Shirodkar, Subhani Gandhi, Suwani Timbre, Valonia Fernandez, Vania Fernandez, Arav Redkar, Ayush Patil, Ananya Patil, Sia Naik, Anuradha Poswan, Rahil Julie, Vignejit Reddy, Laksha Vellekar, Gayatri Barve, Ayansh Lothikar. Let's clap for them. Thank you so much for that performance. I think that we are ready for another self-defense act. everyone who saw this, it might seem easy, but that amount of balance and control takes a lot of practice. So thank you so much for giving us that. Next, I would like to invite Ananya Patil and Suwani Timbre to show us a sports sparring fight.
If the beat hits, I'm ready to go. Don't swag just because I love rap, fuck that. Quick as a flashlight, you know we're gonna bang right. I've been filling in the gap on the waxes, getting feedbacks when the culture react to this. Put a line in the rhyme and the look I'm on fine. Most raps don't slap no more like that. Most raps don't slap no more like that. Seeing Cameo, we live in the eardrums, building on material for years, so here comes. Now or never is a motto, no postpones. I'll be a local hero in the local when the show goes.
Thank you so much. I would now like to invite Vaneshri Rao and Mohak Fatarpekar for a self-defense act. Now we have another group act by Sia Naik, Shubhani Gandhi and Arav Redkar who are going to show us the second pattern. Thank you so much. Now I would like to invite Thea Shirodkar, Preksha Khoprekar and Aditi Naik for a multiple roundhouse kick performance. Again, as I said, this amount of excellent balance takes a lot of practice, so let's give it up one more time for all three of them. So we saw a kids sparring fight, and now I would like to invite the senior belt sports sparring fight, which will be shown to us by Mohak Fatarpekar and Saeed Timbre. Thank you. I now invite Vanishi Rao and Mohak Phatarpekar. Sorry, this was already done, but I now invite the group technique, that is the pattern, that is second pattern, which will be shown to us by Sia Naik, Shubhani Gandhi, and Arav Redkar. I now invite Thank you so much. To impress us way further, we now have a whole array of self-defense techniques. So first, I would like to invite Vanishi Rao and Mohak Phatarpekar again to show us some self-defense. The next self-defense will be shown to us by Vanishi Rao, Mohak Phatarpekar and Saiti. थँक्यू सो मच. हांगा फुडें येवन टायल फोडपाचें इट्स अ व्हेरी डिफिकल्ट जॉब अँड आयज श्लोकान आमकां
I have seen in this, the first thing is, you can read this, House of Discipline.
Knows me. So I don't want to tell much more things. So what is our difference? Because I already heard the chief guest was talking and I was down. So I don't want to waste your time also much. So now the difference of what we are teaching in Taekwondo and what I don't know what others is teaching, but what we want that our students should stand by themselves. Because for example, now if you had seen many of you when we go the school championship and all, I myself never shout to my students standing behind, go do this, go do that. So that is a difference what we have. Like I myself learned from my grandmaster, which is standing there. So I personally trained with him a long time from 2001. So what we are, like myself, I'm watching in the ring when they are fighting there, because that is what I learned from my master. Because when you go on the street or when you are attack on the street, we are not going to be with you. So you have to learn when you are participating for the tournament, you have to learn it to do it by yourself. Our job is to teach you over here, to shout you over here when you are in the class. But outside you have to perform by yourself. That is what is the example what I believe is for the tournament, is for the match. So that is what the difference. Maybe a lot of parents maybe think that we are never shouting behind our students. What we want, because tournament is not a life. Tournament is just a match which is putting by the rules and regulation, not to hit here, to control yourself. But there is a place like to perform by yourself what you learn for your class. So it is a, for myself, for what I learned, it is a not a point to shout there when you are participating. So that is a place where you perform by yourself with your own mind, own yourself. So that is what the difference we have and what we are teaching it. So I hope you like what we are teaching. So there is a most important, that is a martial art. Most of the parents teach it is a art of fighting. It is a not only art of fighting, it's a art of discipline and the way of life. So that's what we are most focused on. So I don't want to tell you much and don't want to waste your time. So what if we are teaching is a different than what I believe for other martial art. Thank you very much.
So I would like to say to all the parents gathered here that when you enroll your child for this taekwondo class, you are indeed giving them a
द्रव्या मडकयकर.
हांव आयज लायफान आमच्या संवसारान जायते वायट गोश्टी घडपाक लागलेली आसात आनी त्यो सर्कलाक ना सर्कलाच्या भायर आसा ते आउट ऑफ कंट्रोल जालेली आसा. त्या खातीर खंय तरी ताका एक ताका ब्लॉक जावपाक ताका तरी उरपाक जाय जाल्यार कितें तरी आमचे सेल्फ डिफेन्सान एक असो प्रकार आसा की तो डिसिप्लिन मेंटेन करता. सेल्फ डिफेन्स इज नॉट अ फायट. सेल्फ डिफेन्स इज मेंटेनिंग युअर माइंड एंड बॉडी. Here your mind is developing and second physically you are keeping your fit. That is developing your body. So both are connected, mind and body. So this is control. You have to keep everybody. So हांगासर कशें आसा सेल्फ डिफेन्सान एक वेगळ्या टायपचे डिसिप्लिन मेळटा आनी ते डिसिप्लिन आमकां जाय ते लायफान चेंजीस हाडपाक शकता. दॅट इज अ कॉल्ड ऑफ मायंड कंट्रोल. सो आतांच्या ह्या संवसारान कशें आसा आमी निग्लेक्ट करता आपले फिजिकलाचेर. एवरीबडी द पेरंट्स यू हॅव टू कीप युअर फिजिकल फिट. सी आमचे हे पयशे जे आमी करता पळय, काम करून जोडटा पळय, ते एक पोटा खातीर आमी पोट डेली चलोवपा खातीर, पोटान जेवण वचपा खातीर आमी एक पयशे सदांच रोटेशन करता. कित्याक आमचें जेवण पोटान गेल्यारूच ते आपले हेल्थ बरें उरतलें. पण आमी एके सायडीन कितें करता, फिजिकली निग्लेक्ट करता. सो फिजिकल निग्लेक्ट कितें जाता, तुजे बॉडी वीक जाता. आमचें सर्वश्रेष्ठ म्हणजे धन, ताका म्हणटा धन, तें म्हटलें आमचें फिजिकल. तर लायफान तुजें फिजिकलूच तो स्ट्रॉंग ना जाल्यार तुजें हे सगळे बाकीचे कितें आसा तुजें ते झिरो. जेन्ना फिजिकल तूं स्ट्रॉंग करतलो तेन्ना तुजें एड्युकेशन डेव्हलप जाता, प्लस तुजें कॅरियर डेव्हलप जाता. सो तुजें फिजिकल जर तूं स्ट्रॉंग दवरिना जाल्यार खंय तरी तूं एड्युकेशनाकूय फाटीं उरतलो, सेकेंड तूं तुजें कॅरियराकूय फाटीं उरतलो. सो कॅरियर एंड एड्युकेशन हे दोनूय इम्पॉर्टंट आसा. पण तेका जर दोगांकूय जर तेका शायनींग, तेका मॉडिफिकेशन करतलो जाल्यार तेका बॉडी मेंटेन करपाक एक इम्पॉर्टंट आसा. सो सेल्फ डिफेन्स आमचे जायते मायंड डिसिप्लिनान चेंज जाता, डेव्हलप जाता, तशेंच बरोबर आमचें फिजिकलूय चेंज जाता. सो ह्या संवसारान जर आमी जर डिसिप्लिन जर मेंटेन करतलो जाल्यार आपले पयलीं डिसिप्लिन मेंटेन करपाक जाय. सो डिसिप्लिनान कितें जाता, तुजें मायंड कंट्रोल उरता. सो कंट्रोल उरले उपरांत तुका वायट बऱ्यो गोश्टी हे तुका जजमेंट कळटा आनी त्या जजमेंटान तुजो कंट्रोल तुजे कडेन उरता. पॅरंट्साक सुद्दां एक कॉन्फिडन्स उरता, म्हाजो भुरगो कितलो मेरेन कंट्रोल करूंक शकता, कितलो कॉन्फिडन्सान तो आपले लायफ थंय सुंदर करूंक शकता. त्या खातीर प्रत्येक पॅरंट्सांनी ट्राय करपाक जाय आपल्या भुरग्या कडेन फिजिकल तेजें डेव्हलप करपा खातीर. सो फिजिकल जर डेव्हलप जायत जाल्यार तुजे जायती एक्टिविटीज तुजे कॅरियर स्ट्रॉंग जावंक शकता. सो सेकेंड थिंग कितें आसा, सेल्फ डिफेन्सान तुका रिस्पेक्ट कसो दिवपाक जाय, एल्डर टू स्मॉल वन, हे तुका जायते तुका शिकपाक मेळटा. हांव ह्या फिल्डान आसा, ऑलमोस्ट 30 years आय एम टिचींग दीस taekwondo. In this field, I'm different places we are giving a training. I and Wilson sir, both are going for the different places and giving our training. We train the many students, and they are still is going on. So आता हे 30 years आमी इतले एक्सपिरियन्स आमकां मेळ्ळा, ते एक्सपिरियन्सान आमकां जायते आमकां शिकपाक मेळटा. आमचे डिसिप्लिन कशें दवरपाक जाय, सेल्फ कंट्रोल कसो करपाक जाय, रिस्पेक्ट कसो दवरपाक जाय, त्या रिस्पेक्टान लायफान तुजे कितें चेंजीस मेळटा हे जायत्यो गोश्टी आमकां शिकपाक मेळटा. तशेंच सेल्फ डिफेन्सान तुका जायत्यो गोश्टी तुजी चेंज करपाक शकता जेन्ना तूं एक खंयच्या एका वेगळ्या ट्रॅकान जर स्ट्रेट वचत जाल्यार तुका जायत्यो गोश्टी तुका मेळोंक शकता. सो हांगासर कशें आसा, आमचो टायम आमी वेस्ट करता मोबायल. जायते पळयता तुमी मोबायलान हातीन आसता, तितून कितें जाता, मायंड तुजें डिस्टर्ब जाता. जेन्ना डिस्टर्ब जालें काय ना फिजिकली तूं मेंटेन करपाक विसरता. आपले एटलिस्ट 15 minutes व 30 minutes जर तुवें आपल्या लायफाक तुवें दवरले आनी आपले ते मेंटेन केले फिजिकली जाल्यार तेजे बरोबर तुजें मायंड आनी बॉडी दोनूय डेव्हलप जावंक शकता. दोनूय डेव्हलप जाल्या उपरांत तूं तुजे चेंजीस करूंक शकता. सो जायते भुरगे कितें सांगले पॅरंट्सांनी आपल्या भुरग्यांक जाल्यार ते निग्लेक्ट करता, आयकता हे कानान आयकता ते कानान सोडटा. दॅट इज नॉट करेक्ट. यू लिसन, focus and you judge what is the right, what is the wrong. And that judgment you can think what is the better. And that better you can make the more future strong. So हांव रिक्वेस्ट करलें पॅरंट्सांक करता की फिजिकली आपले मेंटेन करपाक जाय आनी सगळे पॅरंट्सांनी आपले फिजिकल ह्या लायफान आपल्याक स्वताक टायम एटलिस्ट 15 ते 20 minutes दवरून आपले लायफ चेंज करपाक जाय. सो आय एम very happy all the parents has come here and you are supporting us. That is our great things. So I thank everybody. I'm not wasting our time because it's the time out. So I'll everybody enjoy here and your comes on here. That is a great thing for us. Thank you very much.
Thank you, sir, for the discipline, dedication, and perseverance that you have shown not just to martial arts but also to all of our lives. It is said that any occasion becomes more distinguished because of the presence of the distinguished personalities that attend it. And today we are very honored to have our chief guest with us. So because of that, I would like to ask Sir Vincent Rosario to please present him with a small memento from our side. We also have our guest of honor, Dr. Sajida Khan, and I would like to request Sir Prasad to present her with a memento. Today, this occasion has been graced by another distinguished personality, and that is Vincent Sir. And he has taken out his time to come here today for all of us. And I would like to request Sir Prasad to give him a memento from our side. Thank you so much. Let's have a round of applause for all the personalities that have come here today and graced this occasion. As we reach the final hour of our program, there is a lot of gratitude that is in all of our hearts. Gratitude in the children's hearts for what they have learned, and gratitude in all of our hearts for what we have seen today. And I would like to invite Ms. Vanishri to say the vote of thanks.
Thank you all for joining us for this program. As we come to the end of today's Taekwondo certificate distribution ceremony, I would now like to thank everyone who made this event possible and everyone who joined us to make it special. First and foremost, I would like to express our sincere gratitude to our respected chief guests, Mr. Parshuram Raya Fargavkar and Dr. Sajida Tabassum Khan. I would also like to thank Mr. Vincent Rosario sir, founder of Panther Taekwondo Goa, for being here. And also a very special thanks to our instructors, Sir Prasad Kudnikar and Ajay sir. This entire event would not have been possible without them. Thank you both of them for teaching us with so much dedication and passion. To all the students who performed today, all of them performed really well. All the techniques shown today shows how far everyone has come and the effort that they put into it. I would also like to thank all the ex-students who joined us here today. It's really nice to see all of you back and supporting us. A sincere thank you to all the parents present here. We know everyone has busy schedules, so the fact that you make time to attend this program really matters. Thank you for being here and supporting your children. Lastly, I would like to thank everyone who helped behind the scenes, the organizers, volunteers, and the other members who helped in ensuring everything ran smoothly. Once again, thank you everyone for being a part of this wonderful celebration. Have a good day.
Thank you, Vanishri. That was really lovely. As we reach the end, we need to also be grateful to the country that we belong to, and that's why I would like everyone to stand up as we will now play the national anthem.